Jai Hind everyone, so this is Ravi Sir, founder and mentor of the Wing Leader classes, and this is my third video in the video tutorial series. The first two videos many of you have watched and they have commented also and messaged me on Facebook as well. And it was a very common doubt that students wanted me to cover the most important and the most confusing part of SSB, which is the screening process. So in this video I will be telling you about the screening process. Okay. Before getting into what exactly screening is, उसके लिए कुछ tips and tricks, what are the things you should keep in mind to get recommended, to get screened in. I would like to tell you certain myths and misconceptions as I always do for a particular test. तो screening में सबसे पहले important thing here is बहुत सारे बंदे people they generally get bogged down after getting screened out. उनको ऐसा लगता है कि we are not able to get screened in, तो हम recommend होना तो बहुत दूर की बात है. So first of all, keep this thing in mind. This test is no way a test of your qualities. ठीक है, a small test, a test of where you will be writing a story and then narrating and discussing. इस छोटे से टेस्ट से कोई भी, चाहे वो कोई भी assessor है, चाहे वो कोई भी बंदा है, it cannot prove, he or she cannot prove that you don't have the qualities. स्क्रीनिंग की शुरुआत करी इसलिए गई थी क्योंकि the number of applicants and the number of aspirants increased and we cannot accommodate everyone for a 5-day process at SSB. So we came up with a process wherein some people will be returned back to their home on the very first day. So bus, this is just a, I would say, to decrease the competition or I would say a crowd controlling process of SSB, nothing more than that. There are numerous examples where people who have already got recommended have got screened out, and there are examples where people who were not able to get screened in initially 3-4 times, they got screened in and they got recommended. So keep this thing in out of your mind. Alright, now we'll start with the process. So screening का process, people who are repeaters, you everyone know what is the screening process. People who are new, you can, same thing, I'll suggest you, I'll not give you the basic details, just find out the basic details, what exactly the screening process is. Okay, so I am assuming that you are aware of or you have already researched. So we'll be starting with, everyone knows the first part of screening process consists of the written part, which consists of your test, the psychological test, the reasoning test, verbal and non-verbal reasoning. Verbal and non-verbal reasoning is, you can practice it from anywhere, you can buy any book or you can just practice sample questions from the net as well. That is done, we're not concerned about that. I am concerned about the PPDT wala part, picture perception and description test. Okay? So PPDT part, you will see a slide. The slide will be hazy as compared to hazier as compared to the slides that you see in TAT. The reason is just the same thing, because to get more and more ideas to people when the slide is hazy, so it's up to your imagination what you think. So to add that factor, there's a hazy slide. Also it brings out, when you see a hazy slide, so what kind of story you are making, what kind of theme you are making depends indirectly on your affective intelligence, the way you are thinking, and it speaks a lot about your thinking process. But we are not concerned about that. Generally the slides, there are very few slides which are again and again getting repeated in the screening wala part. Even if they are not repeated, we don't have any problem for that. Now, important thing to keep in mind, difference between PPDT and TAT is what PPDT mein you will get a hazy slide, TAT mein slides will be clear. PPDT mein you will have to give a title to the slide, TAT mein you don't have to give any title to the slide. You simply have to write the story. Time for both of them will be same, 30 seconds. You will see the slide in TAT and PPDT as well. 4 minutes to write the story. Now, in PPDT, the difference is that you will also have to mention the characters of the story, the slide that is shown to you. So you have the sex, the mood, and the age of that particular person that you have to mention. So this thing is there. Now, again coming to the story wala part, the reason I covered the TAT part before was so that you get an understanding of what exactly, how you have to write a story. Now try to see PPDT in this perspective. This is a test, it's all about survival of the fittest. You might have all the qualities, लेकिन you have to cross this initial hurdle to get into the SSB. अगर तुम नहीं कर पाओगे, तुम स्क्रीन ही नहीं हो पाओगे, तो तुमने कितनी भी अच्छी तैयारी करी हो, तुम कितने भी अच्छे इंसान हो, तुम कितने भी अच्छे ऑफिसर लाइक क्वालिटीज हैं तुम्हारे अंदर और जो भी हैं, उसका कोई फायदा नहीं होगा. तो just consider it as a plain, a simple test, nothing more than that. Don't take it in the personality वाला framework that I don't have the qualities और ऐसा कुछ. So there are simple tips which I always ask my students to follow. It's all about highlighting yourself, highlighting in the sense, it's all about marketing, survival of the fittest. वही होता है, everyone is good, but you have to be the best. So if there are 80 people reporting, there are 180 people reporting, there are 280 people reporting, the number of people who are getting screened in is the same, maybe 30, 40, 50, depending upon the batch strength, depending upon the number of people they can accommodate. So this thing you have to understand. SSB competition वाला process नहीं है. Two people will not be judged according to each other. They will not compete with each other. So if two people are good, they'll get recommended. It's not that who is better will get recommended. But screening mein this factor comes in, because no matter how many people are reporting, you have fixed people that you have to take in. So the best people will be taken in. So screening mein, PPDT mein, you have to prove yourself. There you have to compete. So always go in the screening process, attend the screening process with this mindset that you have to prove yourself to be the best. Okay. Now, as far as TAT की stories, PPDT की stories और TAT की stories में क्या लिखना है, कैसे लिखना है, I have given a basic introduction in my second video lecture. You can go and visit if you have not watched it. In my subsequent lectures, video tutorials, I will be telling you specifically how to write different stories. I'll take an example and I'll explain you that. But now about the PPDT, I will stick to that. So suppose you see a slide and you write a story. Now after this, the next part is which is the most important part. Writing the story is only 5%. Then when you go for your discussion and narration part. So you will be there in a batches of 20 to 22, 24, depending upon the board, they make batches. And every one of you will be asked to narrate your story. Now narration is the most important part. तुम्हारी स्टोरी अगर बहुत अच्छी नहीं है, बहुत ज़्यादा कुछ आउट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड नहीं है, still acceptable. But if you are not able to narrate, then there is no chance that you will get screened in. See, basically try to understand what exactly they are looking for in the screening का process, in the 5 minutes का 10 minutes का process. They are just saying that yes, you should. It is called a mini SSB as well. They are basically looking that if we keep this person अगले 5-7 दिन के लिए इसको अगर हम रखते हैं बोर्ड में, so he has that capability. Yes, हाँ, he can give us a recommendation. They are ultimately looking for this. अगर तुम उस 5-7 मिनट में during your narration and discussion and through your story, if you are not able to prove that yes, if I am worth there to spend 5 days in SSB, so just keep this thing in mind. उसके लिए तुम्हें क्या करना है? You have to get highlighted. Highlighted in the sense, in a positive way. You have to show your qualities. They will not come to you. You will not say that screen me in. You have to show it through your different processes. So alright, so first you have written a story. Now let us not get into what kind of stories to be written, but we'll discuss later on. Suppose you have written a story, whatever story. Everyone is sitting in a group. You start narrating the story. Most important part. Narration, a very normal standard narration. ठीक है? ऐसा नहीं लगना चाहिए कि you are very much nervous या फिर you are in a very much hurry या फिर बहुत तेज बोलना है, बहुत धीरे नहीं बोलना है. You have to be casual. I always advise my students to be casual. Casual, not casual in terms of indiscipline, but be थोड़ा सा loosen up, थोड़ा सा आराम से, शांति से. Don't be, I would say, don't overburden yourself, don't overthink. Simply, the more light you are, the better performance you will give. Alright. So, you start narrating. So, for example, there are 20 people का group है. You start narrating the story right from your first chess number. Now, we imagine that I am sitting in the middle of the group. So, someone is narrating the story. First thing to keep in mind, if someone else is narrating a story, you need to focus or you need to listen to that person. So what you will do now, how to practice all these things, I'll tell towards the end of the slide, end of the video. So suppose I am sitting here, I am chess number 10, chess number 1 is sitting to my right and he is speaking. So I'll just look at him and I'll listen to him and I'll try to understand what kind of story he has written, because that will help me later on. Similarly, now chess number 2, chess number 3 will, and then your turn comes. So you have listened to all the stories. Now when your turn comes, the narration should have a very standard part. Okay, gentlemen, the slide that was shown to us, I perceived 2 characters or 3 characters. A male, 25 years of age, approximate 25 years of age, in a positive mood. A female, negative mood, 23 years of age. And another person, who was a small child, appeared to be in a neutral mood and around 12 years of age. You cannot exactly guess the age. So you have to say approx, or you have to write 20 to 22. Just don't write 27, because you cannot exactly guess. The sex you can exactly guess. The mood also it is visible. But age still you cannot guess, so you have to always write it in this way. Even if you write exactly 26, 27, that is fine. Now immediately this thing should come. The moment you start speaking, जैसे ही तुम बोलना शुरू करते हो, the person who is sitting there as an assessor, he is a very experienced person. He'll immediately, within 5 or 10 or 15 seconds, the way you start narrating the basic introduction of the story, he'll come to know that yes, बंदे में कोई बात है कि नहीं. So keep this thing in mind. वो जो first impression वाली बात होती है, वो हर जगह हर फील्ड में काम आती है. Keep that thing in mind. Alright. अच्छा, so उसके बाद you start narrating, you will give this basic narration, then you start narrating the story. अब स्टोरी को अच्छा नरेशन करने के लिए क्या चीजें हैं? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, वॉट एवर यू हैव रिटन, लेट अस फॉरगेट द क्वालिटी ऑफ द स्टोरी. हो सकता है बहुत अच्छी ना लिखी गई हो तुमसे, बट योर नरेशन शुड बी वेरी गुड. नरेशन शुड बी confident. You don't have to read the story, you have to just tell the story, you have to use your own words. So the assessor who is assessing you, the assessors must feel that ठीक है, story भले ही बहुत अच्छी नहीं है, but whatever he is written, he is remembering that and he is speaking in a very confident way. So you have to narrate your story in a very confident way. Don't drag. उनके पास इतना ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं होता. They will not give you more than a minute. मिनट भी नहीं मिलती है. In some cases hardly 20 to 25 seconds. So you have to give your best shot that. So simply start after your basic introduction. Okay, gentlemen, the story which I perceived were through characters, male, female, whatever this thing. Rajesh, a 23-year-old student, was studying in a village school, and then start narrating the story. Come to the point quickly. Don't waste their time. They'll get bored. They'll throw you out. Second thing, important thing here is while narrating, first of all, hand movements. ये चीज मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ. I am moving my hand. You will always see there are people who are good speakers, or you must have seen people speaking in conferences or leaders. They are speaking. They always use their hands. No one speaks sitting straight. बहुत सारी जगह ये एक बहुत misconception है body language को लेके कि आपको हाथों का movement नहीं करना चाहिए. हाथों का बहुत ज़्यादा movement नहीं करना चाहिए. But आप जितना हाथों को मूव करते हो, आप जितना कॉन्फिडेंट होते हो अपने स्पीकिंग में, स्लोली दीज थिंग्स ऐड टू योर पावर ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन. तो जो बंदा आपको जज कर रहा है सामने बैठ के, he will see that you are moving your hand. The body indirectly he'll have this effect that you are at ease and you are confident. So move your hands. Keep this thing in mind. You can move your hands. Don't cover your nose. Don't cover your face with this. Normal hand movements you can do. Now you are sitting in a group. It will be a semicircular group. There will be people there. Third thing to keep in mind is while narrating, you have to have eye contact with the group. Don't look at the assessors. Eye contact with the group. So if suppose there are people sitting, so I perceive three characters. One was a male, 27 years of age, another female. Look this side, look that side. It should appear as if a very friendly kind of this thing is going on, and straight away come to your this thing. This thing is done. Now next thing comes. Your story is done. Everyone has narrated a story. Discussion of the story. एक और बहुत बड़ा मिसकंसेप्शन है लोगों के दिमाग में कि एक स्टोरी आपको यू हैव टू अराइव एट अ स्टोरी, और जिसकी स्टोरी चूज होगी, सेलेक्ट होगी, फाइनल स्टोरी बनेगी, दैट पर्सन विल गेट डेफिनेटली स्क्रीन्ड इन. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. इट्स नथिंग लाइक दैट जिसकी स्टोरी द ग्रुप एग्रीज विल डेफिनेटली गेट स्क्रीन्ड इन. सो डोंट हैव टू फाइट फॉर दैट. ठीक है, ऑल यू हैव टू डू इज यू हैव लिसन टू एवरीवन्स स्टोरीज. यू हैव टू गिव अ हेल्दी डिस्कशन. और हेल्दी डिस्कशन क्या होता है? Write for your GD also, write in your group planning also, write in your this thing. A healthy decision, a healthy discussion होता है जिसमें you listen to people, you express your views. If you are cutting someone, or if you are trying to convince something, you convince him logically. And if you are impressed by someone's point, if you are not impressed by someone's point, you have a logic, you have a counter to give in a very polite way. ठीक है. Again, keep in mind the survival of the fittest. So moment every last person thinks, if you are going as a fresher, I can still expect कि बहुत ज़्यादा ग्रुप में भसड़ नहीं मचेगी. लेकिन if it is a repeaters group, and if it is a TGC entry, or it is a army का entry, or the direct entries, बहुत सारे बंदे आते हैं, definitely भसड़ होगी ही होगी. So again, survival of the fittest. So what will you do? You have to participate in discussion. Keep this thing in mind. You have to. There is no way out. If you don't participate, you are out. So start participating in a discussion. Initiation. सब बोलते हैं कि we should initiate in a discussion. Very true. You should initiate in a discussion. But initiation does not mean that you have to be the first person to speak. For example, in a group, suppose 4 people start speaking एक साथ, 4 बंदों ने एक साथ बोलना शुरू किया. ठीक है, तुमने भी बोलना एक साथ शुरू किया. जैसे ही आखिरी बंदे ने अपना नरेशन खत्म किया, तुमने बोलना शुरू किया. 3 बंदों ने और ने बोलना शुरू किया. तुम 4 बंदों ने, तो all of you 4 people इनिशिएटेड इट. लेकिन चारों एक साथ तो नहीं बोल पाओगे, किसी न किसी एक को ही मौका मिलेगा. तुम्हारा काम यहाँ पे हो जाता है. यू हैव टू इनिशिएट, यू हैव टू ट्राई टू स्पीक. इट इज नॉट नेसेसरी दैट यू आर द ओनली पर्सन हु विल बी गिवन द हो सकता है तुमने बोलना शुरू किया, लेकिन किसी और बंदे की आवाज तेज थी, या फिर उसकी पोजीशन ऐसी जगह पे थी कि सबका ध्यान उसी तरफ गया, या फिर तुम्हें खुद भी लगा कि हाँ ये कुछ लॉजिकल बोल रहा है, तुम रुक गए. तो इंपॉर्टेंट इज यू हैव टू शो इनिशिएशन. ठीक है. सेकंड थिंग इज एटलीस्ट 3 to 4 टाइम्स. हेल्दी डिस्कशन मतलब कि कीप दिस थिंग इन माइंड, एटलीस्ट 3 to 4 टाइम्स यू हैव टू स्पीक. ये तुमको हर जगह बताया होगा. ऑल द क्लासेस दैट यू हैव अटेंडेड, ऑल द ब्लॉग्स, व्हाटएवर यू हैव रेड, एवरीवन मस्ट हैव टोल्ड यू दिस थिंग, इनिशिएशन एंड स्पीक 3 to 4 टाइम्स. सो इनिशिएशन का फंडा मैंने बता दिया. स्पीकिंग 3 to 4 टाइम्स, इट डिपेंड्स व्हाट काइंड ऑफ डिस्कशन यू आर डूइंग, जीडी है तो किस टाइप का टॉपिक है, ग्रुप प्लानिंग में तो व्हाट इज योर प्लान, इफ यू हैव एनीथिंग टू स्पीक और नॉट, पीपीटीटी में यू हैव रिटन अ स्टोरी, हो सकता है कि तुम्हारी स्टोरी ही सबसे अच्छी हो एंड यू आर वेरी मच कन्विंस्ड कि सबसे अच्छी स्टोरी मेरी है, तो इमीडिएटली यू विल हैव मोर पॉइंट्स टू स्पीक. Let us imagine two cases where you see that your story was not very good. Someone else, for example, chess number 3 की story बहुत अच्छी थी. Immediately, chess number 22 stops and you start the discussion. Okay, gentlemen, I think the story which was suggested by chess number 3 was the best one because then you give a logical expression. Always keep this thing in mind कि अभी तो जैसे मैं बोल रहा हूँ तुम लोग सोच रहे हो सर अभी तो आप बता तो रहे हो हम कि ऐसा हमें बोलना चाहिए, लेकिन जब ग्रुप होता है तो वहाँ पे इतना आसान नहीं होता. अब तो आप आराम से बोल रहे हो तो वहाँ पे आसान नहीं होता. डेफिनेटली मैंने बोला ये कि बहुत सारे बंदे एक साथ बोलना शुरू करेंगे. कीप दिस थिंग इन माइंड दैट इफ यू आर ट्राइंग टू स्पीक एंड यू स्पीकिंग फॉर एग्जांपल चेस नंबर या फिर अपने ग्रुप के साथ, दे आर नॉट द एसेसर, एसेसर्स आर सिटिंग देयर, दे आर सीइंग यू. सो इफ यू आर ट्राइंग टू स्पीक एंड समवन एल्स इज नॉट अलाउइंग यू टू स्पीक, बट एटलीस्ट यू हैव ट्राइड एंड व्हाटएवर यू आर सेइंग दैट एसेसर इज लिसनिंग and he is the person who will make you get screened in or screened out. So keep this thing in mind. यहाँ पे कोई सुने ना सुने, लेकिन वो बंदा जो assess कर रहा है, assessors are definitely, so don't get bogged down कि मेरी कोई बात सुन नहीं रहा है, ठीक है. This thing to keep in mind. So the first point that should come out of your mouth should be something of this sort. I think gentlemen, or I think friends, we should go with this story. It can be your story or it can be any other story, because then you give a logical expression, a logical reason, because I think the background of the slide was matching with with the village wala story, with the village wala background, and he suggested a village wala story, so we should go with his story. एक बार तुम्हारा हो गया. The first point should be basically this thing only. Now किसने सुना नहीं सुना भूल जाओ. Try to understand the human behavior, human nature. The assessor is a human. He is looking. उसने सुन ली तुम्हारी बात. यहाँ पे कोई सुन नहीं पा रहा, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. This thing should be there. Okay. उसके बाद ऐसा होता है कि there are 2-3 चीजें तो तुमको पता है. अब आगे कैसे बोलोगे? Always keep in mind. Try to give someone else. ये भी तुमने बहुत बार सुना होगा जीडी में भी, कि किसी और बंदे को बोलने का मौका दो. डेफिनेटली जीडी के टाइम पे ये चीजें काम आती हैं. पीपीडीटी की स्क्रीनिंग में इतना टाइम तुम्हें नहीं मिलेगा कि कोई बंदा नहीं बोल रहा, ऊपर से ग्रुप इतना बड़ा होगा, किसी को तुम चांस दे रहे हो कि लेट हिम स्पीक, कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं है. फॉरगेट ऑल दिस. सिंपली गिव 2-3 लॉजिकल पॉइंट्स, गिव अ गुड नरेशन एंड 2-3 लॉजिकल पॉइंट्स. ठीक है. Whatever you are speaking, say it logically. So suppose if you are saying I think what he is saying is not correct, or I would say that his story is my story is better as compared to this, or we should favor this story, or in the slide we saw that there were 2 people and there were I would say it appeared as if there were kettles also in the story. So तुम्हारा काम है कि तुम्हें ये लॉजिकल पॉइंट्स देने हैं. 3-4 लॉजिकल पॉइंट्स तुमने दे दिए विद कॉन्फिडेंस, तुम्हारा स्क्रीनिंग का काम हो गया. कीप दिस थिंग इन माइंड कि जो रिटन टेस्ट होता है दैट डेफिनेटली काउंट्स, लेकिन सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट इज दिस नरेशन एंड डिस्कशन. इवन इफ योर स्टोरी इज नॉट वेरी गुड, यू स्टिल गेट स्क्रीन्ड इन इफ यू आर गुड एट नरेशन एंड यू आर गुड इन डिस्कशन. अच्छा, इफ पॉसिबल व्हेन यू स्टार्ट प्रैक्टिसिंग पीपीटीटी में, वी शुड अवॉइड मेकिंग स्टोरीज व्हिच आर वेरी जनरल. सो टीएटी में later on as I tell you there are some stories, neutral stories, planning a tour or travel or picnic. ऐसा कोई छोटी मोटी 1-2 स्टोरी अगर आ जाती है and you have a hobby of touring and traveling, everything is there, it's still acceptable. उससे ज़्यादा वहाँ पे भी acceptable नहीं, 1 या 2 से ज़्यादा नहीं. लेकिन PPTT में since you have only got one shot and it's all about survival of the fittest, as I have told you, you have to try to write a story which is थोड़ी सी challenging. What is a challenging story? What is a story that stands? In my second video I explained actions. Theme कुछ extent तक ठीक रहता है, help करता है, but it is your actions that speak about your qualities. ठीक है. सो कीप दिस थिंग इन माइंड. ट्राई नॉट टू मेक अ स्टोरी ऑफ अ नॉर्मल पिकनिक पार्टी वाली घूमने फिरने की स्टोरी. गिव अ हीरो सम चैलेंज, इवन इफ यू आर नॉट एबल टू करेक्ट लॉजिकली टू द स्लाइड, थोड़ा बहुत इफ यू आर डिस्टॉर्टेड चलेगा, एटलीस्ट इन पीपीटीटी. टीएटी में नहीं, टीएटी में बिकॉज स्लाइड विल बी क्लियर, डेफिनेटली वहां पे लॉजिकली यू हैव टू कनेक्ट. लेकिन यहाँ पे तो कीप 2-3 थिंग्स इन माइंड. ठीक है. बंदे कहाँ पे गड़बड़ करते हैं? इन सब चीजों में. अब उसके बाद है कि प्रैक्टिस. सो सी, अगर तुमने कोई क्लास अटेंड करी है, तुम एसएसबी की कोचिंग वगैरह कहीं पे गए होगे, बैच है, तो ठीक है, तुम 10 दिन 12 दिन वहाँ रहते हो, 7 दिन वहाँ रहते हो, 3-4 बार तुम्हारा पीपीटीटी होता है, ग्रुप डिस्कशन होता है, इससे ज़्यादा मौका नहीं मिलता. ठीक है. तो तैयारी अब कैसे करनी है? एसएसबी की कोई भी आप अगर तैयारी कर रहे हो या फिर किसी भी ऐसी ग्रुप एक्टिविटी की, तो व्हेन यू आर गोइंग टू अटेंड सम क्लास, तो आपको थोड़ा ही मौका मिलेगा टू प्रैक्टिस 3-4 दिन में. इफ यू आर ऑलरेडी गुड, ग्रुप डिस्कशन तुमने करे हुए हैं, डिबेट्स तुमने करी हुई है, देन इट इज फाइन. बट इफ यू आर नॉट, वी हैव नॉट डन एनी सच दिस थिंग, तो वो जो 3-4 दिन का एक्सपीरियंस एक्सपोजर मिलता है क्लासेस में, दैट विल नॉट हेल्प यू. ठीक है. इवन फॉर द स्टूडेंट्स हु कम टू मी, अगर मैं भी उनको ग्रुप में करवाता हूँ तो 3-4 दिन में इट विल नॉट चेंज एनीथिंग. You will just get a basic idea. It is your practice that will make you perfect. And this thing what I told you that I'll tell you how to practice. So अकेले रह के भी even if no one else is there with you, you can do that. There's something called visualization, जो कि visualization simply नाम से suggest होता है कि you imagine something, you imagine a scene happening and you try to act according to that. So when we used to do flying in the academy, so suppose tomorrow I have to fly. So आज मैं अपनी sortie practice करूँगा. So we used to do chair flying. So we used to sit on a chair and we used to close our eyes. We used to have that. We used to imagine that we are sitting in a cockpit, and we used to recreate the whole scene at that. And we used to close our eyes and imagine that we are doing the circuit and we are doing all those flying wala stuff जो भी था. So if you do this 2-3 times, it was very easy when we used to get into the real cockpit. So you have to train your mind. So अगर आपके पास कोई दोस्त नहीं है, कोई 3-4 बंदे नहीं है जिनके सामने आप लेक्चरेट कर सकते हो या फिर कुछ कर सकते हो, यू कैन स्टिल डू इट ऑन योर ओन. करना क्या है, कुछ नहीं करना है. बेसिक फंडा वीडियो देखा तुम्हें समझ में आया, बेसिक फंडा. उसके बाद कभी भी खाली बैठे हो, जस्ट सिट ऑन अ चेयर, इमेजिन देयर आर 5 people this side, 5 people this side, and imagine a fish market situation, imagine a calm group, imagine a situation where your story is the best, imagine a situation where your story is not good, someone else's story is good, all kinds of permutation and combination लगा के, and just imagine and try to do. So यहाँ पे 3 चेयर रख लो, 4-5 चेयर यहाँ रख लो, imagine there are people, now someone is cutting your point, now you are giving your rebuttal. So the thing is you have to recreate that scene. फिल्मों में भी देखा होगा. तो ये चीज जो है it definitely helps, क्योंकि कोई भी बंदा हो जो अच्छा है, जिसको स्पीकिंग आती है, वो तो बंदा निकल जाएगा. लेकिन जो बंदे नहीं है, दिस इज स्पेसिफिकली फॉर देम, जो बंदे ने क्लासेस भी अटेंड कर ली हैं लेकिन क्योंकि वहाँ पे कम एक्सपोजर मिलता है. So keep this thing in mind. Same thing you can go for lecturate, same thing for GD as well, same thing you can go for I would say PGT, HGT के लिए भी. I ask my students to follow this thing. ठीक है, 2-3 दिन तुमने प्रैक्टिस कर ली, सब कुछ हो गया, लेकिन वहाँ पे इमेजिन करो कि वर्स्ट के सिनेरियो क्या होगा. ग्रुप में कोई तुम्हारी बात नहीं सुन रहा है, हाउ विल यू पुट फॉरवर्ड योर पॉइंट. कोई तुम्हारी बात नहीं सुन रहा है, या फिर कोई सुन रहा है, या फिर तुम्हें आइडिया नहीं आ रहा है, या फिर इंटरव्यूअर इज आस्क्ड यू दिस क्वेश्चन. जब मैं इंटरव्यू का क्वेश्चंस कवर करवाऊंगा, दैट इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि यू इमेजिन, या फिर आस्क वन ऑफ योर फ्रेंड्स टू आस्क यू क्वेश्चन, और जस्ट इमेजिन, or always practice it in a थोड़ा सा harder form. So you are answering something and interviewing officer is not listening to you, or he is cross questioning you. ये सारी चीजें तुम्हें if you go through your imagination, you visualize करके करोगे, slowly all these things will get down your subconscious mind, and through your conscious mind it will come out during the SSB. So keep this thing in mind. So a quick revision what we learned. Screening का test does not show that you don't have qualities or not. It is just survival of the fittest. It is a race. You have to win it at any cost to go to the second stage. टेस्ट को सिर्फ टेस्ट समझो, कोई बहुत ज्यादा कैरेक्टर में घुसने की जरूरत नहीं है. कीप दिस थिंग इन माइंड. देन उसके बाद क्या करना है तुम्हें, थिंग्स टू कीप इन माइंड. राइट अ गुड स्टोरी, डोंट राइट अ छोटी घूमने फिरने वाली स्टोरी. राइट अ स्टोरी विच हैज एक्शंस. इवन इफ लॉजिकली पूरी तरह कनेक्ट नहीं कर पा रहे हो, एकदम इलॉजिकल भी नहीं. अगर गांव का सीन है तो गांव की ही स्टोरी बनानी है, ऐसा नहीं कि तुमने उसको शहर बना दिया, कुछ और बना दिया. लेकिन कीप दिस थिंग इन माइंड. सेकंड थिंग इज नरेशन के लिए क्या चीज है, ग्रुप के साथ आई कांटेक्ट होना चाहिए. यू कैन मूव योर हैंड्स, इट एड्स अप टू योर पावर ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन. थोड़ा सा कैजुअल बट डिसिप्लिन. सो आई वुड से इन अ लाइट मैनर, लाइवली होके थोड़ा सा करना है तुम्हें. डिस्कशन के टाइम पे अगेन हैंड मूवमेंट्स, यू कैन यूज योर, यू कैन से चेस्ट नंबर्स, यू कैन मूव योर हैंड्स ऑल्सो. बहुत ज्यादा एग्रेसिव नहीं होना है, 3 से 4 बार बोलना ही बोलना है. एंड ये सारी चीजें कोई काम नहीं आएंगी, कोई तुम्हें नहीं सिखा सकता जब तक तुम खुद प्रैक्टिस नहीं करोगे. उसके लिए मैंने तुम्हें बता दिया विजुअलाइजेशन वाली थिंग. Just visualize and practice. If you are good, you will become better. If you are not good, you will become good. This is the only way out. ठीक है? So we are done with the basic introduction of SSB, basic introduction of TAT and screening. Now in my next video, I don't know what I will be covering. I'll see what people want me to cover. But once you are watching the videos, even if you watch one video, you can see that you will be connecting it to other videos. So people who are watching this for the first time can watch my first 2 videos. Then come to this video, or in my next video maybe I'll cover PPT wala, the TAT wala part in detail, or I might cover something else as well. So keep practicing. Yes, you can message me. People are already messaging me on my Facebook wala. You can keep messaging me. You can visit my Facebook page, Wing Leader by Ravi Saran. Simply type it, you will get that. Subscribe to this, like it. If you want to leave any comments for improvement, leave there, and that's it. So keep preparing. Jai Hind.